To edit your tooth variables, first double-click a gear in the viewport or in the side panel. It can be handy to turn off rotation at this time. Then select a channel to choose which tooth variable you are editing. You can enter a value and click Set All Global to set this variable to a uniform value for all of your gears. For beginners, I recommend using Set All Global exclusively. For non-shared variables, you can use Set All instead to set a uniform value for the selected gear only. For finer control, you can use the A key on your keyboard to add a control point to your curve. Left-click to select a control point. Use the W key to scale up and the S key to scale down a selected control point, or enter its value explicitly. Use the D key to delete a selected control point, though you cannot delete the points at the ends. Added control points will match the existing curve, but can subsequently be modified. Gearify will use a cubic spline interpolation, so it can be useful to pin a few points down before adding your variations. Remember, different curves for different variables. For shared variables, edits to one gear will apply to all gears, but non-shared variables can be different for each gear. To that point, internal and external gears are considered distinct gears. Don't forget to click Gearify for your edits to take effect. Lastly, when each variable is selected, you can click the video link below the channel selector to watch a 2-minute video explaining the definition and purpose of that variable and precisely how the curve is sampled.